Welcome back. I'm Stacy with another awesome plant of the week, Little Volcano Lespedeza. This is such an amazing plant that I think a lot of people don't really know about, and I think that you need this in your garden. One, it is a super low maintenance plant, which we all love. It's got really beautiful full green foliage that starts out kind of this lighter green, gets a little deeper green, but then in the fall the foliage turns this really pretty buttery yellow color. It's very drought tolerant once it's established. It loves full sun, so if you've got that full sun yard, this is the perfect plant for you. It's also a really fast grower. You can cut it all the way back after it's bloomed in the fall, and then it'll grow up to 3 to 4 feet wide and 3 to 4 feet tall. Behind me, this kind of shows this nice cascading waterfall effect. This is what Lespedeza does. It has this beautiful waterfall effect in the yard, nice and full, lush and green, and it gets these beautiful blooms on it. You know what? Wait a second. I have to stop for a minute. Who picked this plant of the week? Because I don't see any blooms on it, and I feel like...
Is there a problem with my pick, Stacy? You don't like Lespedeza? It's a beautiful plant.
Well, I love Lespedeza, Will, but you picked a plant that has no bloom on it. How am I going to show the bloom to our viewers when there's no flowers on the plant?
Use your words. Use your imagination. Describe it. You know,
well, how about you? Can you describe the bloom for me, please?
Yeah, you know, I think I got this.
Yeah, I think you got this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, all right.
Here's the bloom.
Yeah.
It's big, it's pink, it's beautiful, hot pink, purpley, gorgeous. You can see our lovely photographer Kelly took this picture, and it's great. It's going to be 20% off next week. Does that work for you, Stacey? Oh, am I blocking you? I'm sorry.
All right, yeah,
okay.
You did.
Little Volcano Bush Clover, great plant. Perfect pick for plant of the week.
All right, Will, you kind of redeemed yourself because now we don't have to leave this completely up to the viewer's imagination. So when does this bloom? That's the question.
September, October.
So this is a really late bloomer.
One of the latest.
Okay, that is an awesome thing. Another reason why this is a perfect plant of the week, because how many plants do we have blooming all the way into October?
Not a lot at all.
Not that many. Okay, so Will, you kind of redeemed yourself. Lespedeza, Little Volcano, awesome plant of the week. Good choice, Will.
I don't know why you're so mean to me.
Thanks a bunch. We'll see you next time.